What are the chart types? There are three main chart types typically used in trading platforms to plot the price movement of an asset: line, bar, and candlestick. The most basic type of chart is a line chart, which plots only the closing price of the specific time frame, connected by a single line showing how the price generally moved over time. A bar chart, on the other hand, provides much more information on the price movements, as it plots the open and close prices, as well as the highest and lowest prices during the specific time frame. The horizontal line on the left-hand side shows the opening price of the asset, and the one on the right shows the closing price. The vertical bar shows the range of prices that went into the trading platform for the selected period. Candlestick charts, however, are the most popular among traders and analysts alike, as they display the full information of each time frame in a visually easy-to-read format. Each candle represents a fixed time period, depending on the selected chart time frame. These typically range from 1 minute to 1 month. Each candle consists of a body created by the opening and closing prices of the period. The vertical line that runs through the candles is called the wick or shadow. This represents the highest and lowest prices within that specific time frame. If the price increased during the period, the opening price is at the bottom, the closing price is at the top horizontal bar, and vice versa. They are then colored differently to easily visualize the price direction of each candle. Further your knowledge with FxPro's educational material. Head over to fxpro.com to get started.